If Evernote is showing the error, couldn't save the note, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast so you can get back to writing, organizing, and syncing your notes without frustration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most basic check, your internet connection. Evernote relies on a stable connection to save and sync your notes properly. So before doing anything else, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Open a website in your browser, like Google or YouTube, and confirm that pages are loading normally. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, Evernote may fail to save changes. If needed, switch networks, restart your router, or reconnect to Wi-Fi, then try saving the note again. If the internet connection is fine and the issue continues, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Open the Evernote desktop app and click your profile icon. From the menu, select Sign Out. Once you're signed out, close Evernote completely and restart your computer. This clears temporary session issues that may be affecting the app. After your computer restarts, open Evernote again and sign back in with your account. Then go back to the note that was giving you trouble and try saving it again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is update Evernote. Outdated versions of the app can sometimes have bugs or compatibility issues that prevent notes from saving correctly. So visit the official Evernote website or your app store, download the latest version, and install any available updates. Once the update is complete, restart the app and test the note again. Keeping Evernote updated is one of the best ways to prevent sync and saving errors in the future. Now, if none of those steps work, you may need to perform a clean reinstallation. Before uninstalling, first make sure your notes are visible in Evernote Web. This is important because it confirms your data is safely synced online before you remove the desktop app. Open your browser, sign in to Evernote Web, and verify that your notes are there. If everything looks good, go to your computer settings, then open apps, then installed apps. Find Evernote in the list and click Uninstall. After that, restart your computer. Once it powers back on, install the latest version of Evernote again, sign in, and let your notes sync fully. After the reinstall finishes, try saving a note once more to see if the error is gone. If you follow these steps in order, you have a very good chance of fixing the couldn't save the note error in Evernote. Start with the internet check, then sign out and back in, update the app, and finally do a clean reinstall if necessary. These fixes cover the most common causes and usually get Evernote working normally again. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials and app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.